Hey everybody, all you beautiful people out there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is number 22. Only 3 days left. But what we're doing is we are watching Jenny open the countdown to Christmas Jenny's Box 2023. And we're on number 22. So if you haven't watched the other ones, go back to the playlist and watch from the beginning. And I'm not sure what this feels like today. It's soft and kind of hard. So I don't know what that means. But we're going to find out. We're going to see what she's wearing, what kind of earrings she has on, how cute she looks. So let's get into it and see what we got today. You missed that song.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 22, the perfect day to wear my Nutcracker sweater. And there are so many puns running through my mind, but I'm going to be a grown-up, and I'm not even going to say one of them, but I can let you all think them. So let's just go ahead and see what we have today for day 22. All right, so here it is right here. We're getting real low in here, you guys. Not much left, day 22. All right, let's open this up.
All right.
Oh, package in a package. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yes. So, do you see this little embossing that the Missouri Star embosses? It's a metal sewing kit. It is full of all kinds of really fun things. So, let's open it up and look inside. Are you ready? Isn't this fun? So, this right here is our fabric, Missouri Star fabric. And I love that they use it as a background. These are for your scissors or whatever. These are to wrap your thread around. Any kinds of thread that you want. You can do embroidery thread, or you can do regular thread for sewing on buttons or whatever you're going to need, because this little kit can go with you everywhere. So it's got little tiny scissors. Let's show you those. And they actually work. And we've got a little tiny seam ripper. Look how cute he is. And then here is the most amazing part of all. This is your travel rotary cutter. Look at that. I've never seen anything like it. When they showed it to me, I was just like, oh, a travel rotary cutter. We tried it. It works. And, of course, you have a little tiny thimble in here. And it's just a darling little kit. It's metal. It's heavy duty. It's slim, so it'll fit nicely in your purse. So when you're traveling around and something decides to fall off your Christmas sweater, you're going to be ready if you have this in your purse. So happy day 22.
So this is kind of really cool. So it's 10. It's 10. That's the inside. Got your little thing. So it took me a minute to figure out how to open it, but you just pull it up. So be careful. That's sharp. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Here's some fabric. Oh my gosh. The world's smallest rotary cutter. How cool is that? I wonder where you get blades from it. Like if you need a, I mean, I'm sure you're not going to use it that much, but like it, you don't have to press down hard at all. That will cut. So, I mean, be careful. Then we have these little scissors. Let's see if they cut. Yep, they cut. Oh, wow. And then we have the world's tiniest rotary cutter. Seam ripper. It's pretty sharp like a seam ripper, so I'm going to assume it works. And then a thimble. Old-fashioned thimble. Like Monopoly. So, I like this. The little case it comes in. I always like miniature stuff, though. I just do. I don't know how we get it back in there. That's the question. So I always pull stuff out. No, I can't get it back in there. And then we have these little, she said to put your thread on. Yeah, because it's got little, can you see? It's got little things right here to wrap it around. I'm not really sure what to do with those, but, and it's in a really good size tin. Apparently I didn't do the kindergarten shapes or anything like that, because there we go. I couldn't get it back in there. And then it's got the Missouri star on the front. I like that. I like that. I like this. Magnetic inner lid. So, let's see. Magnetic inner lid. I'm not really seeing that. Magnetic inner lid. Yeah. Unless you take this out and it don't feel like it's pulling out, I don't feel like inner lid. I'm trying to see. I'm not seeing that part, so I don't know why it says that. But magnetic inner lid, mini rotary cutter, mini seam ripper, 3 thread holders, mini scissors, and thimble. Includes sharp objects, keep out of reach of children. That is no joke. That rotary cutter will slice them in half. So watch your rotary cutters around the kids. Especially if you have boys like mine. They'll just want to cut something. So, yeah. I like it. Y'all tell me what you think. I like this as good tin. Perfect if you want to just throw it in your purse. Or when y'all guys do retreats, or I haven't never been on a retreat. I don't know. So, that's good. I like it. I like it a lot. I think the value's there for this box this year. I really do. I think it's the best box they've had. Because I've watched the other ones that I didn't get. And this looks like the best box. I'm really happy I got it. So, y'all, give a like, click on my face, watch the whole playlist, have a ball, subscribe, and happy holidays to you guys. Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I hope y'all have an awesome holiday. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.